Namaste.
No. This we need to do together.
Okay. Namaste. Namaste. Welcome to Refeel Yoga. My name's Andrew.
And I'm Clelia.
And after a very long and tiring journey from India, we're finally settled back into our tropical paradise in Koh Phangan, Thailand.
And we are back to teach the drop-in class in Siam Healing Centre, like as usual, with a new schedule and new class.
Yes, very exciting. Also, soon we'll have some retreats and workshops up and coming. We spent a lot of time in India designing new programs. To see the schedule for the drop-in classes as well as the up-and-coming calendar for our retreats and workshops, you can check our Facebook page at Refeel Yoga. Also our Instagram account, refeel.yoga.
And probably soon also our webpage.
Yes, very soon the webpage will be released, and stay tuned for that one as well.
Hope to see you on the mat. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste. Also, we're very excited.
And we have now an amazing workshop. Yeah.
Namaste. I'm gonna put this whole video up.
No.
The whole thing's going up.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Better?
Yeah, better. I think so.